थेराप्यूटिक यूटिलिटी ऑफ मुर्वादी अगद इज वेरी यूनिक. सो आज हम ये मुर्वादी अगद डिटेल में देखेंगे. सो द श्लोका गोज मुर्वा अमृता नतकणा पटोली चव्य चित्रकान वचा मुस्त विडंगानी तक्र कोशांबु मस्तुभिः पिबेद्रसेन वा अम्लेन गरो उपहत पावक. So this is the sloka from Ashtang Hriday Uttar Tantra. So if you see ingredients of Murvadi Agada, Murva, Amruta that is Guduchi, Nata that is Tagara, Kana that is Pippali, Patoli Chavya Chitrakan, Patola Chavya and Chitraka, and in the next line it is Vacha Musta Vidangani. So Vacha Musta and Vidanga are the ingredients of the Murvadi Agada. So if you see indication, here it is written Garo Upahata Pavaka. So Pavaka means Agni, Upahata means destroyed, and Garo means by Garavisha or by artificial poison. So one whose digestive fire means Pavaka has been destroyed Upahata by artificial poison like Garavisha. So it is the main Aushadha of Garavisha. Its pharmacological action, it is having anti-inflammatory effect and action on gastrointestinal disorders. So if we say Anupana, Anupana is very important here. They have mentioned Takra Kosambu Mastubihi and Tibet Rasena Va Amlena. So Takra, that is buttermilk, Usnambu, that is warm water, Mastu, that is curd water, right? And Amla Rasa, Pibet Rasena Va Amlena means sour liquids. Somewhere for this Pibet Rasena, they have also mentioned Mams Rasa too. Mode of use, it is pana like gutikas are made, and even murwadi churna, right, is prepared. All our properties kafavatahara and dose is 1 karsa means 12 grams. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel, click bell icon and share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.